Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to replace colors. Open an image. Here we are going to replace color of a boy's t-shirt. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Image tab and click on Adjustments. Select Replace Color. A property box will pop up. You will see 3 eyedroppers. First eyedropper selects the color of the object which is going to replace. Second eyedropper is used to select multiple color shades to replace the highlights and shadows of the color. Third eyedropper is used to reduce the color selection which is not required. Fuzziness copies the depth of color. So keep its value around 90 to 110. Remember to keep selection as checked. Click on the result and select the color which is going to replace. You can see the difference. We can also change some properties here to match it with background and light. You can change the color again if you want in properties also. Hope you found this color replacement tutorial helpful. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.